everybody, how are y'all doing today? My name's Mr. Modfully, and welcome to the Metaverse. For the video we're going to do today is the same as always. We got a weekly report of the current crypto market, and oh my goodness, the market is crashing. I mean, are you surprised? I'm recording a video, obviously not, but take a look at Bitcoin, right under $30,000, broke support levels. Could we go down from here to $20,000? I don't know, only one way to find out, and that is time, literally time. Like I said before in the last video, I said that the support level would be closer to 35 cents, and look at that. We're literally only 10 cents away from the literally support level. So it could go there, it could go lower, I don't know. I'm still accumulating, not financial advice. But other than that, that's all I wanted to talk about in terms of cryptocurrency market. But the main thing I wanted to talk about was this new Metaverse play to earn game, and it's actually a Cardano one. It's actually one of the first ones, and I think the only one that I've seen at the moment that's actually implementing a Cardano play to earn game mechanic. So it's called Mocossi or Mocossi, whatever you want to call it, Mocossi Planet. It's a virtual pet game. So you could basically just think of it as Tamagotchi if you're old enough to remember that game, or Nintendo Pets if you're more part of the newer generation. Play to earn game, Cardano game. They're currently breeding right now. I'll talk a little bit more about that in a minute. They just did their land sale, and one thing that's important to note is they are only having 10,000 land plots, which is pretty intense considering we got Sandbox, which and Bosscat Rocket Club, Metaverse, and they have over 100,000 land plots. So to have only 10,000 land plots is very limited. And I do like the outlook that they have, and they have different categories, the Void, Shock City, Frozentopia, Space, Sandstorm. They literally got broke it into several land parcels, and to only have 10,000 is a very limited number. So current floor price right now is at 144, not too bad. I'm really looking into this project a lot, but I first want to get the actual main token, well, the main NFT for the play to earn game, which is these Mocossis ITOs. So it's these characters. There's 10,000. They also have a V2, and in that one they're limiting it to 50,000. So you can get two of these original V1s, breed them together in order to make a second generation, and that caps at 50,000, which is quite a lot if you ask me. So these first generations are going to be more of like the rare exclusive ones, just because they're the main first generation, and their characters playable in the game, and they could possibly be worth more in actual game experience when you're playing the game. But only time will tell, because it's still being under development, and it's something that the team is currently working on. You can actually also rent and lease your properties or your actual Mocossi characters. You can do that as well. There's this thing called level skipping, which I'm assuming is more based on the game, but that's more for future scenarios. Which is kind of interesting that they state that the ones that have bred more times are actually more valuable. First play to earn virtual pet game on Cardano blockchain. As you can see right here, we got the story gameplay. Like I said, first ITO, second ITO's got their land sales, year-to-date volume, blah blah blah. There's a storyline right here. Basically, it takes place in the year 2048, so it's like in the future and stuff like that. Let's take a look at their roadmap. Where is it? Oh yeah, so basically what I mentioned before, virtual pet and farming simulation elements implemented into smart contracts into its in-game ecosystem. So you can be rewarded real money. This could be either through the token or actual ADA. I'm not sure, they haven't discussed that yet. In terms of being a part of their ecosystem. So this is currently what they've done. They've already released their 10,000, like I said. They just released their land, and they're currently working on the website and integration. And token sales is scheduled to be part of Q2. And the virtual pet game maybe for the early access people who own the V1s. But that's basically in terms of the actual NFT project. Let me know what you guys think of the project. I think it's very good. Current floor price is at 337. Like I said, current Cardano price is at like 40 something cents, so it is something that's super cheap right now. See if you want to get it. But other than that, that's basically it. Make sure to check out any NFTs and any new games that you guys possibly may know of that I don't know of, or any new NFT projects you want me guys to take a look at. But other than that, thanks so much for watching, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one.